Let me show you how to place text behind anything in Photoshop. Press keyboard Ctrl+J for make a copy. Now, go to Select menu and click Subject. Then, add a layer mask. After that, mouse right-click on the mask and select Add Mask to Selection. Now, select Background Layer. And again go to Select menu, then choose Modify and click Expand. Write 15 and press OK. Then, go to Edit menu and choose Fill. Press OK. See, it's not perfect to remove subject. That's why. Go to the Tools bar and select the Clone Stamp tool for a perfect background. Now, click keyboard Alt for good area selection and just click. Fine. Now go to Tools bar and select Type tool and write, or you can place anything on background. Then select Layer 1 and the text layer and follow me. Now, select only text layer. Then mouse right-click and choose Blending option. Then go to the Blend If option and hold Alt and drag. Done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more tutorials.